who my real partners.
What's up, chat?
Was only with me cause I had dollars. Never put a nigga, always stay solid. Remember niggas never lied and always stay honest. Love my bro so much I never change on him. I don't wanna go and do the work, bring you the damn profits. Hustle on my own, I always know how to sell product. They ain't give me shit I got so long, came from the damn bottle. Every nigga speaking on my neck,
oh shit.
Forgot
about copyright. What's up, chat? How we doing? Welcome back to another stream. Welcome back. It's been a long time, guys. It's been a long fucking time. Why does it feel like it's been a long time? When did I stream last? Last stream was, I think it was last week Wednesday? Or was it last week Thursday? Hold on. When was the last stream? Last stream was 5 days ago. Okay, so it was last week Thursday was last stream. So it's been a while. Last week Tuesday. No, it was Thursday. Yeah, how y'all doing, man? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another stream. Welcome back to another day. Let's fucking get it. Beautiful comp on UJ that we called out on VIP earlier, and hopefully y'all caught it. It was like literally like almost, this is an A+ comp, chat. This is one of those comps that if you don't take them, you're doing the disservice to your grandkids. This is a comp that you have to take. Like there's no if I should take it. This is just a normal comp that you should take. Yeah, because it's a 1 hour, broke structure, closed above, shifted trend. Beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. Within 2 candles. Oh! So beautiful. So beautiful. You trade DXY? What? No. I sent a Discord but didn't take on my account. Chad, y'all got... This is the thing here, Chad. Y'all gotta trust the fucking strategy. There's a reason... Like, this strategy is creating generational wealth, guys. I swear to God, there's a reason you guys have to... I'm telling you guys about this comp. WJ comp has closed early, though. It is what it is. It is what it is. By the way, this is not a comp. For everybody, this is not a comp. Don't take this. This is not a comp. You have it's a 4 hour flip. It's a 4 hour flip. I would not recommend you guys take this comp. So, yeah. Just so y'all know. I'm not going to take this comp right here on gold. Or on UJ. The second comp. Oh, my days. Yeah, I'm 3-0 for the month with comp. See? 100% win rate. Now, yeah, 3 trades is not a lot, but it's 100% win rate. GU at the decision area. Now I need to see what VIP is like. Link in bio, bro. You're welcome to join it. Again, the playbook is there. The course is there. You guys can learn to do this yourself. You don't even need me. But yeah, was gonna take the sells, but comp against sells on GU. Oh yeah, yeah. Be careful with the sells on GU. The comp is there. But hold on, chat. Let me see what gold is doing. It's been a while since I've... Oh, yeah, typical gold price action, bro. Dude, are we... Like, at this point, do we even get confused? Or do we even get, like, shocked when gold does this? This is Trump gold price action. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I like Trump. Again, I like Trump. The guy is... alright. But Sleepy Joe had better price action. Can we just come to terms with that fact? Sleepy Joe had better price action. Gold is just like gold has become retarded ever since Trump stepped into office. So I don't know what's up with gold currently, but we'll see here. We'll do an analysis. We'll see what we can catch. Excuse me. We'll see what we can catch. We'll see what we can do today. Should be a pretty clean day. Wait, do we have news? Hold on. Let me see. Forex factor. No, we shouldn't have news. Or is it news now? We have news at 3 p.m.? Bro, why do we have news at 3 p.m.? What? What? It's usually always 2:30. Why 3? Why did they change the time, huh? Huh? When's the Playbook V2 dropping? Playbook V2 is dropping end of March, beginning of April. I still don't know exactly when, but either like 30th of March or like first week of April. But... that's when Playbook V2 is dropping. AD had a comp 2 that played out earlier. Did it? Where's AUD? Comp that played out earlier. I don't really think if we'll do the analysis on gold. Bro, you done shitting? No, I'm shitting as I'm streaming. What the fuck do you think, bro? Let's see. Which one? Oh, this. Yeah, this one. This one. Yeah, tapped it. Oh my days, that tap is insane. Was it a 1-to-1 though? Was it a 1-to-1 though? Let's see. Tap right there. You would have stop loss below here, 6.2 pips. Okay, TP was 8. Alright, this is, yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Zero drawdown. Zero drawdown. Full TP hit. So, beautiful comp there earlier on AUDUSD if you guys took it. Hold on, let me see what gold is doing, chat, honestly. Let's look at the daily. Daily. All right, so daily. Honestly, hold on. Let me remove shit first because this is way too messy. Ronaldo's still the GOAT though, but all right. The fuck is going on? Okay. All right. So let's look at the daily here. We got the daily currently kind of ranging. Listen. So I personally said last week that I thought the daily had shifted structure to the downside. Apparently not. Apparently not. I was wrong, right? I was like, okay, we closed below the most recent lower low or higher low. And right now we're just going to create a lower high and then continue down. Like that was my expectation for the daily. Now again, shit can happen today. We can start dumping and this can flip and continue down and then we're still in a downtrend. But the way this daily candle is looking so strong that I highly doubt will come down again. This looks like a really good daily candle to like keep coming up. And honestly, I think we might break the highs again. We might break the all-time highs again and might come up to tap all-time highs. So, I mean, we're bullish for the day. We're bullish for the day. But the daily is just ranging right now, guys. It's ranging between this range right here. So we are, let's see. Hold on, chat. I completely forgot I'm in a position. I swear to God, I forgot. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I forgot we're in this position, chat. I think I'm gonna close break even here, honestly. Because we have news. We have news in 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna close here at break even, guys. Alright. That's break even. So yeah, close here at break even, guys. Just because we have news in 20 minutes and I don't want to hold through news. So I'm getting out of this position. Alright. Yo, thank you for reminding me, bro. Or I don't know if I'm gonna let's see what news does first and then I'll say thank you or fuck you. Because the thing is, I don't know. What if I didn't know I was in a position and news pumped price and we hit TP? Then I'm like, what did you tell me? But yeah, that's a break-even position. UJ, dude, if this comp also plays out on UJ, bro, we gotta have an official statement that this is the best strategy on earth. I backtested your strategy and it works pretty well. Well, what do you think? You think it's gonna fail? What do I look like to you? Anyways, we got gold on the daily. Let me mark the range we are in currently. So we have this range right here. Very strong decision area. I closed at a loss. How are you at a loss? You're above the compensation line, my guy. Brother. Or did you close earlier? Gold is currently in this range. I gotta stop reading chat because I get distracted. Gold is in this range, so we got gold between 29 point. So again, we got this range right here between 29.24 and 29.31, and then this range right here. That's the daily range right now. So we're tapping at the top of the range, which again is looking more. It's more attractive to take sells now than buys. Even though I'm bullish on gold, it's more attractive to take buys and sells because even if we want to come up even further, even if we want to come up to all the way here and break all-time highs, we do need to create that bottom wick. We do need to create that bottom wick. We do need to come down at least a bit before then obviously re-breaking the highs because you're tapping at the top of this range. tapping at the top of this range, so sells is looking more attractive. We're going to wait until we tap this area because we want to check it out. It's like a checkpoint, right? Gold has different checkpoints, different areas of interest. One of those areas is right here at 29.28. You see, we've tapped it so many times before we make a move, right? Here, 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 here. Even if we want to come down or come up, we always tap it. So that's the range we're in currently on the daily. So we're tapping at the top of the range, which means that sells is looking more attractive. Trend identification, you can't really identify a trend right now. There's no real trend. You have downtrend and uptrend at the same time. So trend identification does not really work here. That's when we use ranges instead. So we're going to use the range, and this is the range we're in currently. Because if you want to, like, you can't, there's a 3-step verification for a trend. It's boom, 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 right? Right now we have boom, boom, and then we have boom, boom. So 2 different type of trends right now. So we have to look for a breakout on either direction. So either we come down and that's going to confirm the downtrend, or we start making these highs and that's going to confirm the uptrend. But right now we don't know, so we use ranges instead. But that's the range we're in, and we're currently tapping into that resistance right there. Let's look at the 4-hour here. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm gonna have a mini course. So I'm gonna drop a mini course on how to, it's gonna be free. Listen to this, it's gonna be free. I'm gonna drop a mini course on the best way to pass a funded, how to risk, and 2 plays from the playbook, which I'm gonna explain in depth in that course. The way you get the course is you have to buy an Alpha Capital Group funded account using code BARD, all capital letters. So if you do that, you send me a screenshot, I will send you a mini course for free. So you have, meaning you only buy an account for yourself, and then you get a course on how to pass that account. Just so y'all know. But anyways, that's not even announced yet, but I'm giving you guys an early shout. But let's see, we're gonna tap, yeah, we're gonna tap that 26 area definitely. We're gonna tap that. Yeah, that's a decision area as well. That is decision area. Sells, dude, might even take sells from here. I ain't gonna lie, chat. If news doesn't push price too much, right? If news doesn't like boom boom for 100 pips, we'll consider sells here, because that's a decision area. It's a decision position. I think we've taken sells here before as well. So we're gonna do that. 28, 29, 28. Let's see. I think we took sells from here. 29, 28, 24. We took sells from 29, 24. Yeah, we did. We did take sells from here this area. So we're gonna look for sells there from 29, 28 if we come up after news comes out, obviously. Let's see what. Oh my days, chat. Oh my days. Anyways, and now we have created imbalances. Hold on, it's so hot in my room. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna turn on the heating. Can you explain what decision areas? I think I have a video on that on Instagram. So you're aware that there's news coming up. When does it start to affect the market? When it comes out. So it will affect the market at 3 p.m. So it will affect the market in 12 minutes, basically. But yeah, basically the way I'm thinking is gold has created so many imbalances on its way up. We've created so many imbalances on our way up, and therefore we need to fill those imbalances sooner or later. If we look at the 4 hour, it's very clear. If we look at the 1 hour, it's also not as clear, but we do have this area here that didn't get filled. And I mean, it's an imbalanced market right now. You have pushed up heavily the last few hours. So you're probably looking to start coming down and filling those imbalances and filling some orders before coming up and breaking all-time highs again. And I'm expecting for us to do that either now when news comes out in 12 minutes, which again, we can't catch really. But if not, we're going to look to sell at 29.28. Because that's a decision area, and every single time you tap that area, when you come from, see where you came from, when you come from these areas, you do the same thing. Look, last time, same thing. Like literally, trading can be this simple, chat. Trading can be, you don't have to overcomplicate. It can literally, like people think you have to have something that nobody knows about to be profitable. Some underground shit. It's literally this simple. Look, previously, when price came from these areas, right? What did it do? It rejected right here. Right? After making a strong push. Now what's happening currently? We're coming from the same area. We're making the same strong push, which means that we're probably going to reject at the same area. And then you just take sells here and stops at these highs. That's as simple as trading can be if you're disciplined. Right? You don't have to overthink it, chat. And like that's why I'm telling you, you don't have to be a genius. This is literally, that's what I look for. People might think, oh, Bard, like they might see Bard and be like, oh, he's such a good trader, blah, blah, he probably got the crazy strategy. Listen, this is what I do. Sometimes, obviously not all the time, but sometimes I literally like, oh, okay, we come from here. Last time we came from here, we rejected here. Okay, okay. Oh, all right. Oh, simple. Price repeats itself. Let's see. Is there any other time when we came from those areas and rejected up there? No. All right. Perfect. Well, I guess we got that. And that's as simple. So that's what why I'm looking for sells. Also the fact that we're creating imbalances below and we are right now very bullish, or we pushed very bullish the last few hours. Let's see, we have ranges as well, obviously. I can draw the ranges, but let's see. Okay, right there we have a 30-minute, pretty strong 30-minute area. Right there. All right, that's a very strong 30-minute support right there, currently because we broke above it. So closures below here, looking for sells. Obviously, if we don't tap this area, we'll look for sells on closures below 29.14.7. And then we should fill the range down to around here. Yeah, right there. Should fill the range down to 29.08, which is a sweet 60 pip range. So we should catch this move right here, because this move, boom, I think it's going to be a quick fill from below 29.13.2 down to 29.08. It's going to be a quick fill because that's usually what price does. So let's see, chat. Again, price action history. This is all like, it's so simple. Price action history. Look at this right here. What did we do? We came below 29.13.7 and one candle filled the range immediately. What do we do here? Boom, fill the range immediately. Fill the range immediately. Boom, boom. Look at that wick right there. Boom, boom, boom. Every single time we tap into this area, you fill it very quickly. So what can we expect to happen when we do tap that area again? Same thing. History repeats itself. The charts are no exception. So that's what we'll do right there. Look for sells below 29.14.7. Now again, news is coming out in 8 minutes, so we don't know, because news might shake up the market completely and fuck our strategy or fuck our plan up. But we might actually be lucky and news might not have as big of an effect, and then we're good. We can still trade price action, but we'll have to wait here because we got, where is it? It's jolts, right? Jolts, J-O-L-T. Yeah, it's Jolt's job openings, which I don't think is gonna have that big of an effect. But that all depends on how bad the numbers are or how good the numbers are. But yeah, chat, that's pretty much it for my analysis. Very simple analysis. We got sells, obviously preferring sells. The reason is daily is tapping, or daily is almost tapping into strong decision area, heavy wick area. Same thing on the 4 hour, and you are also very imbalanced because you made that crazy push. And if you look at the 4 hour, you actually like, believe it or not, you're actually kind of in a like subtle downtrend on the 4 hour, because you did close below here, right? You did close below the most recent, and you're still respecting this trend line. So the 4 hour is not looking bad for sells either. So almost all time frames are telling us to sell. But again, we have to wait for news. So, but what y'all gotta say? What y'all gotta say, chat? I don't understand why some people are just hating on your strategy when people are able to understand easily and backtested it works so goddamn good. I don't know how to explain this, but it's the internet, bro. It's the internet, and the trading space is fucked. I mean, that's the only way. The trading space is full of worthless scumbags. That's the trading space. Trading space is full of liars, full of scumbags, full of people that don't know how to trade. And unfortunately, that's the picture that people have about the trading space. Even me when I tell people that I'm a trader, or that I don't know how to say it even. How do I even say it? Like trading mentor, or like that I teach people how to trade and trade myself. Like when I say that, I have an ick. Like I give myself an ick when I say it, just because it has such a bad connotation. Because people immediately assume I'm TJR or some of those guys that, you know, degenerates. So that's why, like, people are immediately defensive. And then when they discover the comp play, and if they actually take the steps to backtest themselves, they see the results, and then they're like, okay, never mind, this guy actually knows what he's talking about. But yeah, and that's why most people are broke. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, dead serious, honest to God. That's why most people are broke. Why do y'all? They see something, they're like, oh wait, this might be good, and then instead of thinking this guy might know what he's talking about, let me try it myself. You know what? Let me try it myself, and then I can speak on it. They immediately have an opinion. And they're like, no, fuck this guy. Fuck his strategy. I don't believe it. Right? And then that's why they hate. But that's why most people are broke. And that's just God honest truth. I swear to God, that's just God honest truth. I'm just being blunt. Literally. Is Mio stream lagging? Is stream lagging, chat? I don't trade like you. Bart. Alright. Bo just made me a Simpson character. It's Bard with D, my guy. Please. Anyways. Thank you for that. But I've taken the comp play. Dude, you don't have to trade like me. Take the compensation play and add it to your strategy. You will see it. The improvement will be insane. You will have no other choice but to start trading the Nowick strategy, because you'll see, like, okay, if this is working so well, what else does he have? I'm just saying, try it yourself. Hold on, it's so hot in my room, chat. All right. Okay, we got news in 4 minutes. Not lagging for me? Okay, good. So if the candle crosses the comp line twice and goes below, do we enter when it comes back to comp, or enter in drawdown? We enter when it comes back to the comp. So on the second cross, you enter. Because if it crosses it once and it keeps going down, you don't know if that's just a push, and if you're just gonna dump. So yeah. If it crosses it twice and goes down, if it crosses twice and go down, then you have already entered and you're drawdown. You just wait. Then you just have to stomach the drawdown. Let's see. Might just see. Boom. What's your objective? Is better not to react to the negative comments and stay true to the data and facts. Dude, if I reacted to the negative comments, I would have no emotion left in my body. The amount of negative comments I get, if I reacted to them, or if I even paid attention, I'd jump over a bridge. I swear, I get so many negative comments. So no, I swear to God, I don't give a fuck. I know the strategy works. The people that use the strategy know it works. So why would I care what anybody, what some random guy from fucking, I don't know, from the other side of the world says about my trading? All right. 1 minute left for news. 1 minute left for news, and we'll see what we can catch. By the way, have y'all joined the giveaway? The giveaway will be out. How many of y'all use my code and bought the ACG account, chat? How many of y'all use code BARD? That's what I'm wondering. We can't see shit. What the fuck does that even mean? Open your eyes, I think. Have you tried opening your eyes? Alright, boys. We got 25 seconds left. Twelve, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Incredible. Fucking incredible. Incredible, chat. What a reaction. The news came out good for the dollar. And not very good, but pretty good for the dollar. So DXY should be coming up. Oh. That's why we close break even, chat. Gomo, W. Alright, we'll wait for news to calm down a bit. Gold should be coming down. I guess this is positive for us. This is positive for us. Because again, we're looking for sells, and since it's positive for the dollar, and the dollar and gold are negatively correlated, it means that gold will probably start coming down very soon. Again, I still think we might tap this area because it's such a strong decision area, and then we come down afterwards. But if we start pushing up to 29, 28, dude, sells are amazing, because then you're pushing up with a bearish incentive, which is perfect. What's your opinion on college and how it affected your life? I'm genuinely curious because I'm studying in college myself. College was probably the best decision of my life. If I didn't go to college, I wouldn't be where I am today. So yeah, college was the best decision of my life. Not because of the lectures, and not that I learned anything in college. It was about me learning more about myself in college than actually learning something about whatever I was studying. So yeah, I would say go to college, bro. Go to college. And going to college made me realize how bad I did not want to go to college. I don't know if that makes sense to y'all, but going to college was the thing that put a little fire under my ass to start pursuing trading for seriously. And that might be a 9 to 5 for someone. That might be whatever it is for someone. But just putting yourself in a position that's uncomfortable and that you don't want to be in, so that you have to change. That was what college was for me. So college was the best decision of my life. For sure. By far. I'm in the middle of passing a different account, but I will try ACG. Yeah, ACG is, guys, ACG is the best account, like the best prop firm you can buy. And so buy an ACG account, guys. Trust me. Link in bio for that. Let's see. We had another. At what age did you go to college? I went to college at 19. So immediately after high school. Same year I graduated high school. I went to college. You don't like Top Step? No, fuck Top Step. ACG. Only ACG, chat. If you trade anything other than Alpha Capital Group, I don't want y'all here. I'm already getting the fire in my bum. Bam. Then good, because that's what you need. That's what you need to change. That's what you need to stay focused. That's what you need to be disciplined. Some people are just too comfortable with mediocrity. Is the compensation play the only strategy we need to be profitable? And if so, should we only stick to that? Yes. Yes, you don't need anything. If you guys learn only the compensation play. Now I have a playbook full of plays, but we take one play from that playbook, the compensation play. If you guys only learn that, that's all you need. That's all you need for your trading journey. So just learn, and it's so easy because then you don't have to spend time on technicals. You can spend the majority of your time on your psychology, which either way is 90% of what you need to be profitable, right? So you just use that one thing, that one play, the one entry model, compensation play. Learn it, perfect. You have that in the bag now. The technicals are sorted. Now you just focus on psychology. Once the psychology is sorted, boom, you mash them together, and you can do whatever the fuck you want with trading. In Bulgaria, after high school, we go to university. Yeah, same. I used your code. Thank you, bro. Thank you. My guy. In Bulgaria, view on DXY. Let me see where it's tapping. View on DXY right now is I have to see a break above this zone right here for me to consider the DXY. I have to wait for a break above 104.047 for me to consider it bullish. I would say you do have imbalances all the way. Like the DXY is so imbalanced right now, even on the higher time frames. So I do genuinely think you're gonna probably break above here, but if we don't, I cannot do anything. If we don't break above here, I cannot do anything. I have to wait for a break because otherwise I'll be not following my discipline and strategy, and that's not what I do. So yeah, I'll have to wait for a break above 104.047 up to this area. And once we tap this area right here, boom, I think it's going to be a straight push up, and then you're going to see a push down on gold. But we'll see if gold taps our levels here. We have our sells ready at 29.28, and we have our sells ready below 29.14. Once we tap this area, I do think it's going to be a quick push down to fill the range to 29.08.9. GU currently not doing anything. We're just going to wait for news to calm down a bit. My mic is muted. My bad. Imagine a car or a rocket ship, right? When a rocket ship or a car, let's say a car because rocket ships are different. But let's say a car. When a car is driving a certain direction, you cannot always drive forever. You need to stop and grab liquidity or grab gas. Same thing with price. Price needs to stop, grab liquidity so you can drive further. And I think gold right now is very low on buy side liquidity. So I do think you need to grab liquidity first and then or sell side. Why am I using SCT terms or SMC terms? You're very low on liquidity. So I do think you need to grab some liquidity before driving further up. I still think you're going to top all time highs. Hit the mic. Sometimes I hit the mic with my nose, Chad, because like touch, and this mic is touch here, and that's how I mute. Sometimes I have a big nose, so sometimes I hit it with my nose and I don't realize. I've tried so many strategies and courses, but with your one, I'm finally see profitability. Chat, I'm telling y'all, if that don't convince you, I don't know what will. Is it a good idea to not watch any other traders and just stick to this? Yes, that's what you should do. The One Thing. The One Thing. Chad, read the book, The One Thing. I'm currently reading it. Read this book, chat. Gary Keller. Currently reading it. Very fascinating, and it's exactly what I talk about in trading. Is focus on one thing. The people that have gotten the furthest are the people that focus on one thing for a long period of time and didn't deviate and didn't lose hope on it. And if it didn't work, sometimes they didn't think, oh, let me switch. It's not working anymore. No, they stayed true to their craft. They were loyal to their strategy, and they just did that until they became the best at it, and that's how they succeeded. So read that book, chat, if you guys want some knowledge. But yeah, I think learning the basic things in trading will be the most important thing I need to. I don't know what the fuck ICT mean either, bro. Learn the basic things, chat. Learn the basic things. Bard, would you still recommend me continue learning trading on baby pips? Depends on how comfortable you are. Like, if you okay, so you have the course, right? You have the playbook. If you are able to watch the course videos, the playbook videos, and you are able to understand everything I say and follow through, then you're good. But if you feel like there are some terms that you don't understand, there are some things that's like that you feel iffy about, then I would say keep going on baby pips. So it's all about feeling the waters, bro. But yeah, I was gonna tell you guys about this. I forgot. I was gonna tell you guys about this. I was gonna tell you about this stream. I thought about it yesterday before I went to sleep. I'm like, tomorrow on stream I have to tell them about this because I was reading the book before I slept. But there's this book. There's one book that's not even trading related. There's one book. All right, and like the fact that I'm sharing this with y'all is, you should be thankful. And this book is, like I said, will be one of those books where the knowledge will translate so well into trading that it feels like a trading book. But that's, like, again, that's this book right here, The One Thing by Gary Keller. This book, read it. It's about business, but it will translate so well into trading that you will see immediate results. The lessons, everything. So it's the same mindset you need in trading. So go read that book. It's actually very good, very, very good. And then again, even if you're not a trader, if you're just an entrepreneur or trying to start a business, that's going to help you as well there. But especially in trading, it's what I talk about every single day. It's what I try to ingrain into you guys' mind. I try to ingrain that knowledge into your guys' mind. So yeah, go read it. Let's see what we got. Someone said GU was tapping into decision area. Oh yeah, it did tap into decision area. Beautiful cells. Yeah, beautiful decision area right here. Good shit. I think it was Jordan, bro. Good shit, Jordan. I see a lot of people use the comp play. I see a lot of people use the Nowick play. I rarely see people use the decision area. Look at the beautiful decision. Oh my days. Oh my days, chat. Beautiful decision area. Yeah, I see people make money off of comp plays. But I rarely see people use decision areas. Rarely. And they're equally as powerful. Like, people don't sleep on decision areas, guys. Don't sleep on decision areas. Have you ever implemented Asia highs and lows liquidity into your trading, or does it not work? I've had Asia session. No, New York. I've implemented New York liquidity pools. But not really, no. I just use, I'm a simple man. I have a playbook, I have a few plays, I take those plays, I don't do anything else. That's how I make my money. That's how I stay profitable. No more needed. No more needed. The one thing, guys, remember, the one thing. That's why I tell you to read that book, because you will learn the power of one thing. The power of sticking to one thing and becoming really good at it and not deviating to anything else and not trying to change. One thing, guys, one thing. And I have Nowick strategy, and that's all I need. Well, what's up, Dan? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Alright, now why is Vin commenting spider emojis? What an entry, bro. What an entrance by Vin, the one and only. I'm up 2k on my 50k. Was it by any chance a comp play that you took today? 1k left? Good shit, bro. Good shit, good shit, good shit. So I fucking do it, boys. So I fucking do it. No, bros, NQ, I haven't tried the comp there yet. Oh, you haven't tried the comp on NQ? I have. Dude, a bird has whispered into my ear that it works very, very well. Very, very well. Yo, I'm gonna choose. I think I'm gonna choose the winner for the giveaway on stream. By the way, the 50k funded account giveaway. I think I might actually do that. Not today, not on this stream, but on stream on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. By the way, also next week, guys. This week I'm gonna stream every single day. So this week I will stream every single day until Friday, and then next week I will probably not stream Wednesday and Thursday. Reason being, next week I'll move to Stockholm. Yeah, I'll move to my new crib. Therefore, I will not be able to stream. But why are you screaming? It's loud. Is it, chat? Is my mic really loud? Like, is it annoyingly loud? I can turn it down if you want. Is it better now? You trade fund accounts or personal? If so, which one do you think it is better? I used to only trade personal, but now I started trading funded again. Reason being is because I'm sponsored by Alpha Capital Group, so I kind of have to. But yeah, I think fundeds depends on how much money you have in your, like, if you are able to live off of the profits in your live account, fuck funded. But if you're not, go for funded. That's as simple as I'm gonna put it. New crib vid? I don't know, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna make a new crib vid. We'll see. I'm not really big on. I tried making like lifestyle videos. I'm not really big on that, chat. I prefer just trading, honestly. I really want my life and my like personal life to be very separate from my trading. I'm really not an. I'm not an online guy. I'm gonna be honest, chat. I'm not an online guy. I just do it because I know it's kind of my job now. But yeah, probably not. Do you trade funded accounts? Okay, I already answered that. Let's see, guys. AUD just flipped. I was planning on taking that comp right there. It was loading up, but we just flipped on that candle, which is unfortunate. Gold is currently still pushing up, and yeah, this is good. We're looking at those sales at 29, 28 will be pretty beautiful, I believe. Pretty beautiful, yeah. Honestly. Not bad, yeah. Let's see. Volume is alright, I think. Okay, volume is pretty good. That was 60 pip push right there. Volume is pretty good, guys. This is a beautiful day. By the way, if you're in here and you haven't liked the video, what the fuck are you doing? Like the video. Don't be a slacker. It takes 1 second of your time to like the video, and it brings me endless joy and motivation. So, like the video. It's a good RR. It's a good RR, right? Liking the video is the best RR, guys. Second comma UJ played out also. Second comp on UJ was this one. Stops would have been below here, 44.9 pips. TP would have been, no, it did not play out. It did not play out. It played out a little bit, like it played out for like 20, 30 pips, but it not. I don't count it as playing out unless it's at least a 1-to-1 RR. So I wouldn't say this played out yet. For it to play out, you would have had to tap 50 pips. Just took 2 W's today, contemplating whether I should trade because I got the 10 days before reset. If you see your entry, I don't believe in that max trade rule, guys. Is it just me? I don't believe in capping your max trades. I think as long as you see an entry from your strategy, I think you should enter. Because what's the point of having a strategy, right? If your strategy is objective, right? If your strategy is objective and you know that it has a certain win rate, the more trades the better. So I don't believe in that max rule. As long as you follow your strategy, bro, you can take how many trades you want. The only reason people have that max rule to begin with is so they protect their psychology. But honestly, you don't even, like, you don't need it. As long as you're disciplined. All right. Don't you dare start consolidating now, gold. Don't you dare start consolidating now, gold. Have you guys joined the Discord, by the way? If you guys haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord. A bunch of free stuff there for you guys to learn from. You have everything you need here. Everything you need. You have exclusive resource. Okay, this is just for VIP members. My bad. It's also for VIP. You have recommended books, useful links. You have this freebies is one of the plays from the playbook. Webinar. How to stop vaping. So what you do is you take your phone and then you put it on the other side of the room and you record yourself, and then you sit on a chair in front of the camera and then you start vaping. And then you go look at that footage and then you will see how fucking gay you are. And once you see that and realize how gay it is to vape, how much of a degenerate you look like, you'll feel so bad that you will never touch a vape again. What's your favorite trader apart from yourself? My favorite trader apart from myself is Uncle Ted. What about cigarettes though? Cigarettes. Okay, cigarettes, I can't say anything against cigarettes. Honestly, I can't say anything against cigarettes. Vape is just gay as fuck. Cigarettes, it's not good for, it's not gay, but it's not good for you. But I cannot say because half of my country smokes cigarettes, so I cannot say anything bad about cigarettes. Took anything today? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Full. Where's the UJ position? There it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, a little W position before stream. Oh, of course, Vin is typing in Twitch chat. Is anybody watching from Twitch, by the way, chat? Anybody watching? I don't think anybody's watching from Twitch, to be honest. Dude. All right. How many of y'all would prefer me streaming on Kick, guys? I feel like I won't get as many. How many of y'all would prefer me streaming on Kick, honestly? Or it doesn't really matter. Damn. Life's so short. Fuck it. I don't want to go to court. Fuck it. Got a budget from the lawyer though. Nobody's staying on YouTube so people can actually find you and tune in. Yeah, true. Might stay on YouTube, honestly. Yep, YouTube stick to here. Alright. I notice some people clown on new traders and make fun of them when they are trying to be financially independent, but it's best to stay quiet and watch how everyone admire you when you become rich. Yeah. True. Well, I mean, talking about your goals before achieving them is the worst thing you could do. So, yeah, it goes into the same. It goes hand in hand. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell people what you're gonna do. Just do it, and then they'll see. But yeah, and like, let them hate. Who cares? You're not doing it for them, so why would they care? Why would you care what they think? It's simple, really. What's the one thing you notice people are doing the wrong with the comp play? Stop loss placement, I would say. Stop loss placement is the number one issue. Because everything else is so objective. The only thing that has a little subjectivity is stop loss placement, because you do need to learn how to identify the trend properly, and break of structure and all that. I know that's the most common problem when it comes to the comp play. So stop loss placement. Damn, my mic just. But if you learn like proper break of structure and proper trend identification, you're good. All right, we got GBPUSD closing below right here, below this zone, tapping into this range down to 1.29067. So you'll likely see a closure below here, or you'll see just a break of these lows and then a push straight down on GU. Let's see. Previously, yeah, you will see that, because previously when you tap these areas, you just fill it immediately. Look at this. So right here, boom, fill it immediately. Boom, fill it immediately. Boom, boom, boom. Still waiting for which pair? Was it gold? Yeah, gold. Still waiting for gold. Still waiting for gold to start trading below 29.14, because that'll be beautiful sells down to 29.08, which is a 50 pip range that we can catch, or buys up at 29.28.6. But we're losing volume here. I'm gonna go manage my studies. I'll watch later on, maybe next stream. It was very nice being in this stream and community. See you, traders. See you, bro. Good luck with your studies. Finally some sun in Sweden, chat. Finally some sun in Sweden. It's been a while, but finally. It's snowing here? Where the fuck do you live? Bro, I'm more north than you and it's sunny here. I mean, it's still a bunch of snow, but it's sunny. So I'm a little less depressed than I usually am today, because I've seen the sun. It's snowing in Greenland? Who the fuck lives in Greenland? Yeah, I don't. Oh my days. Yeah, well, I don't doubt it. Do you guys know that? Do you guys know that Greenland is a part of Denmark? I did not know that. I just saw that. Look at that beautiful chat. Look at that beautiful entry and exit. Now, I do think, no cap now, I think you can enter the exact same trade at the exact same area with the exact same stop loss, and you will hit the TP again. On this trade specifically. No cap. Okay, GPUSD tapping into this area. Now, let's see if we can see a dump here. I'm really interested in what we do here. I do think we might see a dump. Ooh, closure below here would not be bad at all, chat. For sells. If we get a top wick, chat, I might actually enter these cells right here on GU. If we just can get a top wick. Closing in 1 minute. Let's see. Because every time you close below here, you did fill the range down. Gold is also dropping. Both gold and GU are tapping into that area. An area of strong dumps. Diddy range, as we call it, guys. Diddy range. The silent Sigma approach. Bro, Vin, get the fuck off Twitch, man. It takes me 3 working days to see your comment. Oh, might enter a chat. Might enter these cells here if we get a bigger top wick. Be ready. See, I want to see a bigger top wick because I want the stop loss to... I want the RR to be as good as possible. So if we see a top wick around these areas. Let's see. Tap into here somewhere. Alright, chat. I'm selling GU here. I'm entering GU cells. Off of this Nowick play to the downside and closing below that previous right there. Stop loss will have to be break of those highs. There's no other logical stop loss for this play. TP will probably be down at the fill of this range right here. Something like that. So we'll see. We'll manage risk if we close with no bottom wick on the 30. We'll manage risk, but other than that, we should be good here. 1 point. Five. Yeah, 4 hour tapped is looking good to come down as well. Tapped right into that decision area. Rejected hard. Same thing on the 30 on the hourly. Very strong rejection area right there. Ideally, we want a bearish. Ideally, we want a 1 hour closure below here. Below 1.29242 on the 1 hour. If we get that, then we're good to come down all the way. But I mean, first and foremost, we want the 30-minute flip. If we get the 30-minute flip, then we're good. Like, that's all we need, the 30-minute flip. Alright, it's looking like it wants to flip here, chat. Let's see. If we can get a beautiful flip here. Might see a little bit of drawdown. Might see us like do this up to around this area right here and retest this rejection zone. But that's as far as we'll come up, I think. That's like the maximum drawdown I think we'll see. It's up here. What made you enter? Nowick play to the downside. Nowick play to the downside. Also the fact that every single time you close, you have a bearish closure in this area, you dump all the way down to 1.905. Right. Look at this bearish closure here. Dump. Bearish closure here. Now you didn't dump, but you gap down. Bearish closure, dump. Bearish closure, dump. So just following price action data history. Also the fact that news was positive for the DXY. And gold is also dumping together with GU. Go on then. Flip for fuck's sake. Once we see this 30 flip, this should be good. Alright, there's a flip. So we can get a drive down maybe. If we fill, once we fill this previous wick, could move stopless break even here, chat. Since we're up for today, chat, I'm gonna manage this a little more aggressively, and I'll move stop loss or break even once we fill the previous 30 wick. Still need still needed to close a little stronger. Because we still haven't, like the 30 broke. The 30 broke the previous low and closed below the most recent low. But we still need the 15 and the 5 to do that as well. Then we're good. If I see that the 15 and 5 is having a hard time closing below the most recent and closing below this area right here at 1.29202, I'm probably just close position in wherever we are, like slight profit or break even. But I have to wait. I have to see a closure below here for me to be, then we're like secure on this position. Yeah, 5 is having a hard time coming down. Okay, close below most recent. Okay, still having a 5 bearish trend. Let's look at the 1 hour. 19 minutes, guys. 19 minutes for the 1 hour to do something. Did you hear from Paulo recently? Nope. I haven't heard from him in a while. I'm probably busy with personal life. I know he's got a job as well. I forget that people have like real jobs. My bad. I swear to God, I forget that sometimes. Like being a trader, you forget that other people are not traders. Like I'm like, oh, like I could at a random day at like 2 p.m. I'm like, yo, bro, you want to do this? It's like, yo, I'm working. I'm like, oh yeah, forgot. Hashtag unemployed. Yeah, I am unemployed. I'm self-employed. Dude, I could sleep through this price action chat. I swear I could just take a nap like this. Come on now. Let's go. Vámonos, 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 vámonos. Self-employed is just an excuse for being unemployed. If you're a billionaire trader, you're still unemployed. No, I'm self-employed. I literally have a company. So, no. I can show you, like I have paperwork because I have a company and then I work at that company. I'm a CEO of that company. So, on paper, I'm employed. It's just I'm employed by myself. So, no, that's not true. The Swedish government sees me as an employed person, employed citizen. All right, let's see an aggressive flip. Okay. Is it having a hard time breaking those lows, Chad? What do we think? What are we thinking, Chad? Are we having a hard time breaking those lows? Hold on. Technically, QTC is an LLC, or about a company? Yes, it's a company. QTC is a company, like legit a company in Sweden. It's not called QTC. I won't tell you guys what it's called, but yeah, it's a QTC is a company. Bro, this price action, I swear, it's like taking melatonin. $15 better close aggressively. Yeah, I don't know about that closure, chat. Oof, gold bad. 15-minute closure as well. DXY failing to break that high, but also failing to break the low. So, you know, is Vin autistic, or why is he by himself on Twitch? I don't know, bro. I don't know, guys. If you go to Twitch, what the fuck just happened? Okay, if you go to Twitch, chat, there's this random guy. I don't know. It's called Vin Mister. Good boy, gotta work for it. RR Warrior, Bardo, this the one. Just close your eyes. Ooh, let's go. Get in. Woof woof. Dog emojis. Yeah, Paul is just working. Employed is crazy. He just sits there and clicks. The most move here. Yo, I think Vin has lost it, guys. I think we lost him, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Once people start spamming on Twitch, you know they lost it. Like, if you ever see your friends, chat, if you ever see your friends, if you ever see your friends start spamming on a Twitch chat on some stream, just know they lost it. Like, that's not your friend anymore. That's a new person. I've always said he is special. He is special. Yeah, like I said, that was a tough 15 closure, chat. Tough. If the 5 starts breaking structure, chat, I'm gonna look to get out of break even. If the 5 starts breaking structure, because we did reject too strongly at that point right there. It was just too strong of a rejection. Damn, life's so short. Fuck it. I don't want to go to court. Fuck it. I got a budget from the lawyer though. They got special body emotes. Alright, he's sending the gay emoji now. Yeah, he's sending the LGBTQ emoji now. The guy's completely lost it. Come on now, GU. Come on now, GU. Bart, hear me out every Friday. Every Friday what? Do I really want to hear him out, chat? Because Twitch don't really have copyright like that. Or what are we going to do every Friday? Do we do a vibe stream on Twitch? What's a vibe stream, though? What's a vibe stream? Define a vibe stream. What are we going to do on that stream? Oh, does that sound like a good idea to y'all, chat? Vibe stream. What the fuck is even a vibe stream? with music and YouTube is asking copyright. Hey, you in that cell now, Bardo? Yes, I am. This is the first time I have a negative RR. Like even the stop loss and TP are placed at a negative in a while. So, but yo, old Bard might be coming back, chat. Old Bard might be coming back. You can get your ass whooped in Fortnite 101? No, I ain't playing Fortnite again, chat. I've retired from Fortnite. I'm sorry. I've retired from Fortnite. I hate to break it to y'all. I know it was a tough decision for me. It was a tough decision for me as well. Yeah, it was good while it lasted. We've had some good memories on Fortnite, but I feel like I'm just not at a point physically or mentally where I can like keep up with the young guys and still crank 90s like I did in the back in the days. So I feel like it's time for the new generation to keep going, and it's my time to pass the torch. What TP you looking for? Well, I'm looking for the range of the fill of this range down at 1.29. But we'll see when I close. I feel like I'm gonna close now, to be honest, because we failed to break below this zone right here. So I'm not like, I do feel like we should close very soon. The only thing that's giving me hope is the 1 hour potential trend break, but the 5 is looking mad bullish right now. 5 is looking mad bullish. I retired from gaming until I hit my next milestone in trading. Fair. You staying on this one? Probably not, bro. Probably not. I don't like that 5, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like the 5 minute at all. Dude, 2 GB. Why is GBP usually so weird today? Huh? How far have you backed to the compensation play? All the way to 1954. So yeah, I went back in time, and I went back in time, and I told Paolo when he was like 5, I'm like, yo, can you backtest this for me? And he was like, alright. So he got it sorted. I agree with Vinmister. I do too. Thank you. I think it's good. Yeah, devious trade. I'm gonna UJSL. Yo, why is Vin talking to himself? I just realized. I'm gonna UJSL from 148 counting, but I'm only 0.35 lot. Good shit, bro. Oh my days, chat. This trade is taking a while. A boring ass price action, man. Hold on, I'm gonna get water, chat. I'm gonna get water. I'm gonna get water. Yo, does anybody know how to deal with lower back pain? I did some deadlifts, chat. I did some deadlifts, and now my lower back is killing me. Every single time I get up or I do this, like I can't move side to side and like sprint and stuff. But as soon as I do this, dude, my lower back is killing me. I don't know what it is, but holy shit. Anyways, I'm gonna get some water. Yo, chat. Let's see what the 1 hour is looking like. The 1 hour closed in 2 minutes. Let's see if the 1 hour can close bearish. At least we'll get a wick fill and can get out the wick fill. Hopefully. That shit's oily as fuck. Hang on a bar. I just do for lower back pain. Not use the correct form. Hang on a bar with. I've heard that. I've tried it. It doesn't work. I don't know why. Or maybe I should do it for a while. But yeah, my lower back is I feel like an 80-year-old man. I'm too young to be feeling this old, man. What's gold doing? I wonder what gold is doing. Oh my days. I go chest day. Good luck. Goodbye, Van. Alright, chat. Let's see if we can get a chance to get our break even here. Yeah, I'm looking to get out of this trade very soon. Looking to get out of this trade, chat. I got already. It took like $5. Yeah. Like I said. We do have a rejection area here as well. Right. Zone's way too big. Do a rejection area right here as well. Right around there. So we could see something like this happen. Or we should see something like this happen. Tap that area. And come down. And do this. And then we'll get out. Right there. What's gold doing? No, we can't. No. Oh my god. Yeah, we're still an uptrend though. Chad, y'all are mad quiet. What are we saying, boys? Do we get out now or do we wait for break even? What are we saying, chat? Do we get out now at a slight loss or do we wait for break even? That's the question of the day. I already slid out. All right, saying slid out just sounds. I don't know why that just sounds weird. Slid out. Sounds like, you know, just sliding in general sounds gay to me. I don't know why, but it sounds. I don't know. I don't like the way you said that, bro. I'm gonna lie. I mean, buys from 1.2926 to 2926. 2926. Oh, so you took the opposite position. Should you hold? I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's going up. So, but you do have a last resistance right here. But the 4-hour might want to flip. I think that's what it is. The 4-hour might want to flip. Yeah, the DXY is pushing down. That's the thing here. Gold is also pushing up. We'll see here. You could call this a slight head and shoulders as well on the 30-minute. Right? So you could call it a head and shoulders. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, the 4-hour is about to flip. 4-hour is about to flip. Yeah, 1-hour respecting the trend. It was just against the trend. Yeah, a little silly of me not closing once I saw that 5-minute respecting. A little silly of me, can't lie. Goofy, but But we'll see. It could also be a 30-minute. So it could also be a 30-minute lower high. The DXY dumping or yeah, DXY is dumping. Alright, let's see your chat. Let's see what happens. Damn, life's so short. Fuck it. I don't want to go to court. Alright, 5 close heavily bullish. We're still super bullish. But I'm gonna look for those sells on gold at 29, 28 at least. 29, 28, 26 if we keep coming up. So coming up on gold is not too bad. Let's just see if we can get a retest on GBPUSD at our entry, so we can get out of break even here. Because you have shifted trend on the 5. You still haven't quite continued the trend on the 15, so it's not completely bullish yet. The 1 hour could still flip. You have seen that before. You have seen, like, as you guys see, there are plenty of wicks in this area. So last time we came to this area, you had 3 wicks up top. So that could easily be the case now, where you just get wicks up at this area, you retest this area, because this area is also very strong. You guys gotta remember, for us to break and hit stop loss, you have to have a lot of bullish pressure, like a crazy amount. Yeah, right back in on last man comments. No, yeah. Alright, boys, 2 minutes. Let's see if we can get a 1 hour flip. It wouldn't be too bad. 1 hour flip and fill of the range. Or fill of the wick. But me knowing price action, you might just flip on this 5 the last 2 minutes. So that might also be the case, which, yeah, it looks like you want to do that. Yep, yep. There's a flip on the 5. I swear gold has been in the same place for last, I don't know how long. DXY still moving. Okay, that's not bad. It's not bad. Because DXY had a little push. DXY had a little push on the 5. And that little push on the 5 made a pretty big, decent push down on the GU. So I was planning on closing as soon as we tapped the area at 1.29297 right here. But we didn't even tap that area. We just flipped immediately. Yay, fly. I swear you're asking to get banned at this point. You're asking for it. Do you use Orlando for all pairs? Yeah, I do. I don't know why. Actually, I swear to God, chat, I have no idea why. It's just something that stuck with me. Like, I don't even know if there's an advantage of using Orlando. I'm in buys? Yeah, but you can be in buys silently. Because most of us are on sells. But that's provocative. I know why you say that. You didn't say it because you were in buys. I know why you said it. So, you know, too smart to play those games with me. Alright, new 5 just opened. Strong push. Not good. Not good, chat. But you asked for it. You asked for it. I warned you, you asked for it. Let's see. We need one 5 closure at somewhere here. One bearish 5 closure and we're good. One bearish 5 closure. Because I think one bearish 5 closure is going to be like a... That's going to be like the... I don't know how to really say it. But imagine that you have kind of a... And he's gone just like that. Yeah, I don't play around. I mean, I really couldn't give a fuck about losing viewers with that. But yeah, I think we need one 5 bearish closure to kind of. It's like, imagine like a pebble that starts an avalanche, kind of that. Like, you know, you just need a 5 and then the rest will follow. So yeah, just 5 bearish closure and we're good. But again, and like I said, Chad, even I know we're like talking about in what way this could go to break even and what we need to see, but that's not in any way or shape or form me prophesizing that it's coming down to break even or me even thinking about it. Bart, I used your code unban me right now. I don't give a fuck if you use my code. I don't give a fuck if you bought the playbook. I tell you something on my channel and you don't do it, then goodbye, bro. That's just how it is here. It's just how it is, man. Go to some other streamer and see if you can do the same. But thank you for the code use, though. Uh, 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 uh. All right, boys. 1 minute. Almost getting a 5 bearish closure here. Let's see. Go on then, boys. Always so serious. Never can take a joke. Of course you can take a joke. All we do on this stream is joke. But there are certain times to joke. There are certain ways to joke. There are certain... I'm really good at energy, so I can feel when there's a joke and when they're trying to be provocative. Or kind of like flex and shit like I can sense that. So, yeah. And also, if I say something and you don't do it, what do you expect? Actions have consequences, my guy. Gotta learn that sooner or later. It's better for you. It's better for you that way. So now you learn that actions have consequences. So you can take that into life and become a better person. I should have talked about his hair instead. All right, chat. But I'm going to be kind, and I'm not going to ban your other, because I obviously have another account. I'm not going to ban your other account, but because I'm a kind man. My bad, Bart. It was no worries, chat. Chad, y'all can talk about my hairline. It's okay. It's okay. You can talk about whatever you want. If you're kind, unban me and I'll never joke anymore. You're just banned for 24 hours. You're good. I was also joking a bit. Oh my days. Alright, boys. If the 4 flips, I think there's no stopping this. Maybe stop loss on this one. I don't know. Maybe. I have no idea. But this is a strong area to get through. This area is very strong. But that was this is a bad play on my part, by the way, chat. Bad play on my part. This was not a complete. It was a playbook play, but it was not. I didn't follow the rules completely because on the Nowick play, what you do on the Nowick play is you move stop loss or break even directly after the flip. But the flip was so few pips that I wanted to wait for the wick fill. But yeah, and also on the 5, when I told you guys that the 5 is starting to look bullish and we're starting to shift structure on the 5, that should have been a closure. So yeah. It was a bad judgment on my side. Bad judgment on my side, chat. But now we know. Now we know. This is what we got to do to learn. Unfortunately, the reality of trading is you got to lose money to learn, and that's what's going on right now. Oh, we haven't completely lost yet, but this looks. If the 4 looks very good to flip. The 4 looks very good to flip. Comp though, 50-minute comp, chat. The comp is our only savior right now. Comp is our only savior right now. Remember when I told you that you were messing around and not serious for about 2 weeks, then you got serious about 2 days ago, and now you're shut up, Jose. Shut your mouth. All right, boys. The comp and fucking station play, boys. The comp and fucking... No, I'm kidding. I don't know. We'll see how it reacts off it, but... The fact of the matter is that the comp play, if we were to take this comp, 7, 7, down here would have been your TP, so we'll see. But yeah, this will likely it stops, chat. So likely it stops. Also, the fact that I didn't think about that comp when we took the sells is kind of a bummer. Are you profitable? What a question. Since when has comp play been reduced to 1-to-1 RR only? The comp play has been reduced to 1-to-1 RR after a bunch of backtesting from me and the guys in the VIP. So after a bunch of backtesting from us, we realized that the comp is most efficient on a 1-to-1 RR. No, I can't accept it. Why can't you accept it? It's unfortunately, like, I know it's hard to accept, but it's unfortunately that's just what backtesting shows. That's the most effective RR. All right, chat. I feel like we're about to hit stops here. What's up, Bard? How you doing? Think there's gonna be a chance for any more signals? Yes, I do think there's gonna be a chance for more signals for sure. Definitely. Give pair proof. I don't trade. I haven't traded funded, so I'm not a fund. I don't trade funded accounts. I've started again now, so I've just gotten a funded accounts now because I have a deal with Alpha Capital Group. I'm sponsored, therefore I get free accounts. So obviously I'm gonna start trading, but no, I don't trade funded. But I've had a bunch of people that use my strategy and signals become funded and get payouts. The fuck, you serious? Give me some. I'd rather shoot myself in the face than give you a funded account, bro. With all due respect. Hello, Mr. Bard. Hello, Crypto Craze Central. All right, now let us see. Will we survive? Will we survive? Oh. I swear you never trust comp. Look at this. I didn't see this comp. That's why. I didn't notice it. You're always so kind and loving. Suck my dick. I didn't see the comp. That 15 comp. I know. I didn't see it. Fuck. Chat. I did not notice it. I did not know. Otherwise, dude, these cells. I would have entered the cells either way, but I would have been much quicker to close once I saw that we had a comp here. Fuck. But, why so personal? I don't know. Felt like returning the energy. Bearish 5 closure. Come on, can we get one? I told you guys, we need one bearish 5 closure. Yeah, I won't get this 5 bearish closure either. The 5 doesn't want to close bearish. None of the 5s. Flipping the last few seconds is wild. I think that would have been a 1-to-1 on that comp because stop loss would have been above 6.7. Okay, no, it wouldn't. Here's right there is the 1-1 on comp. Okay, bearish 5 closure, but not as bearish as we need it to be. We need it to be more bearish than that. 30 close respecting. Dude, I'm afraid we might see a break of the highs. I'm starting to see, chat. I'm starting to see a pattern here, chat. Starting to see a pattern here, chat. Where you break the see? Look at the 4 hours. So, you know, you just break the previous wick high, and then dump afterwards. So I might see that, grab liquidity above the highs and dump afterwards. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm telling you, you slipping barter, you're back to half stepping and you messing with my money. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. It's just a stop loss, guys. Y'all are acting like you lost your account. And if you did lose your account, you deserve to because you're over risked. It's just drawdown, guys. Oh my days. Are y'all even traders, man? Y'all reacting like this? What the fuck? Are y'all like 12? Have you entered or just got here? Yeah, I entered a while ago. Yo, I miss when chat was stoic and positive. Now I just got a bunch of women in chat. Bunch of emotional women. No problemo. No problem, my friend. With stop loss, we go gym, we come back. With TP, we go gym, we come back. Same reaction, same thing. We're going about our day regardless of what happens. Chat, that's the game you chose. I did not make you trade. This is a game you chose. The game you chose, unfortunately, comes with this. Stop losses with drawdowns. And if you're not able to handle it, choose another game. Alright, I think that stopped. That 5 just flipped. That 5 flipped aggressively. Same thing on the 30. Here's the issue here. There's a possibility you get a shit ton of FOMO here. Because there's a high possibility. Now, you can't bet your account on it, but there's a high possibility that you just grab these highs and then you dump. Like you did here, like you did here. High chance that happens, chat. Very high chance. But there's also a high chance that you just keep pumping. So, moving stop loss is also not smart. So we might get really, really fucked here. All right, boys. I think that stop loss about to hit here. The drawdown we can handle. You slacking? What's slacking? I don't know what you're talking about slacking, Jose. I'm following the strategy, and sometimes, obviously, I like y'all think I'm a robot. Now listen, I know my shit, but sometimes I miss a comp. Sometimes I misjudge. There's no slacking. Oh, just hit stop loss already, man. Come on now. Stop teasing us. I ain't slacking, chat. I can tell you what went wrong with this trade, chat. And again, it's completely my fault. Like, I take full responsibility for this trade. Now, I don't take responsibility for you guys losing money because I cannot do that. That's not my responsibility. My responsibility is for me and my account. And the reason I lost money here is because, or I'm about to lose money, is because on the 30 we had a flip play, but we had a Nowick play, but on the Nowick play you move stop loss or break even after the flip. But what I did is I didn't do that. Instead, I waited for the wick fill, but we didn't fill the wick completely. And then we flipped back, and then once the 5 started turning bullish right here, I told y'all I'm about to close this position. But I didn't. I did not close it. Even though I told you I was going to do it, I did not do it, which is it's a bad thing. I should have closed. So I didn't close here, and then yeah, you guys saw what happened. It just continues. And like it's almost as if God was like, "Okay, you won't close? All right, let's punish you." Like that's almost what it feels like, cuz listen, I didn't close here, and then boom 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 boom, continuous green candles. Almost like this was our last chance. I was like, "Okay, you said you were going to close. Are you going to close?" God was like, "You said you're going to close. Are you going to close?" I was like, "No." I was like, "Okay, sure. Don't follow your plan. All right, bro. I'm going to teach you a lesson." And then continuous green candles. That's what it felt like, and that's what it was. So, yeah, that was why I lost this trade. Very simple. Because you guys know that we're here from the beginning of this trade that I was going to close once we broke structure on the 5 and closed green on the 5. But I didn't for some stupid reason. I think I was like getting tacos or something. And I got to pay for it. But we learn, chat. We learn and we improve. That's the background on my phone. It says evolve or repeat. I've been a part of so many communities. It always looks great when you're not in it, but once you join and you realize most traders actually know very little about actual real trading. Yeah, bro. Most people are gurus, man. Most traders are gurus, and they would never say with the shit I said today. Most traders, and this is the people that most people follow, because most people are naive, most people are retarded, so they see a Lambo, they see a watch, and they're like, "Oh, this guy is really good." But this is a shit you won't hear this from Alex or any other of those big gurus or Lambo Roll. You won't hear that. But this is raw trading, chat. I tell you guys my mistakes. I tell you guys what I do well. Why what happened. Everything. So we grow together. And hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes and don't do them yourselves. Man, I'll tell you something. Good though, Bardo. With you slacking or missing comps or shooting breeze too much, you any day all over guru fakes. You know what I mean? Thank you, man. Appreciate that. When you push buy or sell, that money is gone already. No matter if TP or stop loss, come to terms with what we are mentioned. Exactly, bro. That's exactly we don't care. We're an algo. We're a system. If this is stop loss, I'm gonna do the exact same thing today. Obviously, it's gonna hurt. I'm a man. It's gonna hurt. I won't tell you guys that I'm gonna be happy about it, because I'm not. But it won't change the way I act. It won't change what I do the rest of the day. I'm still gonna post a video. I'm still gonna record. I'm still gonna go to the gym. I'm still gonna do everything I have to do in order for me to reach my goals. So it doesn't really matter what this trade does at all. And that's what you have to come to terms with. And that's what you have to learn with trading, is that you can feel however you want to feel. But if how you act upon that feeling, that's what's going to determine where you end up. So I don't, yeah. Is it fun? No. Does it matter? Nope. I've been fucked over and lost so much money following other traders. I vowed to never pay for signals again. However, Bard's community and his strategy is so legit, it makes me feel like I need to be a part of VIP. I mean, I appreciate that, bro. And I mean, I won't sit here and tell you to buy anything, because I wouldn't say it all depends on where you are in life, but it's more important to learn yourself. It's more important to learn yourself. That's why I will never tell people to just blindly follow signals. Even though I literally sell signal service, I still tell people, do not just follow signals. Learn yourself. The signals are there just as a bonus. The signals are there just for you guys to be able to refer to, like, see, okay, Bart took this position, why did he take this position? But I wouldn't say blindly follow signals. So it's more important to learn. So if you guys are gonna get the VIP to learn. Don't get the VIP to blindly follow signals. It's as simple as that. And if I was trying to sell you guys something, I would not say that. It's definitely reactive for the comp. No, it's not. It's definitely not. It's a little bit. I mean, of course, it's reacting a little bit to the comp, but that's also a resistance. But yeah, no. This will break the highs and then dump afterwards, like these other pairs or these other instances previously. All right, boys. Let's see about it stops so I can head to the gym. But yeah, I'm looking for sells on gold at 29, 28. So I'm gonna send that to the VIP later once we get those sells. I'll tell you guys about the TP and stop loss and everything. I think that stops very soon here. $295.30. Is that what it is? 530, yeah. And that's the journey I'm on. Learning myself, I can tell a good trade from a bad one, and I feel like that is essential when you join a community. You need to know the bad trade from a good one. Yeah, that's intuition. That's what you get when you have studied the charts for a while and when you've been in the industry for some time. That's what it means. It means you have actually started to build intuition and experience. There's no tangible, like, you can't really put words into it, but you just have a feeling. Okay, this guy's legit. Okay, this trade is legit. This trade, like, you just have a feeling, and that feeling you can't really put into words. Gold's been painful to watch in New York session. Yeah, I know. Gold has been annoying. It's been one of the worst price action days for gold in a while, to be honest with you. Haven't seen this bad of a day in a while, chat. On gold, I haven't even looked at it. I made one analysis on gold earlier this morning when I started stream, and then I didn't look at it because it was just too ugly. Yeah, the 15 is about to close above, so I think this might be GG, chat. Might be GG. I'm selling at 295.14. If you want to sell, at least sell at the break of the high, because that's what you've done previously. Look. So if you want to sell, at least wait for you to break the 4-hour high, and then you can sell from there. I wouldn't sell before that. I've seen a pattern with my trades. Usually, if I hit stop loss on a trade, it teases me first, and then it's stop loss. It's like, you want this, huh? You really want this? And then, boom, it fucks me over. I don't know why. Something wrong, man. Yeah, 15 just closed above. Not looking too good at chat. Not looking too good at chat. If we survive this, though, thank God. God is on our side if we survive this, but right now the probabilities are super low. Don't be looking so sad. I'm not sad, guys. I've taken way too many losses in life to be sad over a loss. And the thing is, I'm gonna be honest, I have a sad looking face. Like, people tell me, like, Bard, why do you look so mad all the time? I don't know why. People say I have like an uninterested mad look all the time. If I think I have a resting bitch face, I ain't gonna lie. What did this guy send me? Dak, people are actually watching from Twitch. That's crazy. I'm not sad, man. Don't worry. They are right. You do look like that, but in a good way. Yeah, I don't know if it's good or bad, but people usually say, like, I always get from people, like people I barely know. They're like, yo, I thought you didn't like me, man. Like, even in college, like, girls were like, I thought you didn't like me. And I was like, what? No, I have no problem with you. I'm like, yeah, always when I see you, you always look so mad. Or when we make eye contact, you always look so mad. I was like, what? So yeah, no, I have a resting bitch face, chat. Like, this is my normal face. Like, I'll make my normal face now. Do look kind of mad. Damn, life's so short. Fuck it. I don't want to go to court. Look at 50-year-old dad. Oh my days, bro. Just take me out already. Oh, what a drag. Maybe it's the angle of the camera. I don't know, actually. $15 minutes fair value gap. Yeah, I know. So even if this comes down, coming down to entry is really hard. And the 15 has barely a top wick. Yeah, coming down to entry is really tough, chat. And the way price is moving, this 5 might just literally flip the last 50 seconds here. Yeah, nope. The DXY isn't even dumping crazy. Like, the DXY is literally not even dumping crazy. Damn. Life's so short. Fuck it. I don't want to go to court. I remember I wanted to quit so many times, but I knew this moment will come. Now it's my time. I gotta make up for all them nights that my mama cried. I'm going in, I'm putting everything on the line. Dropped out of school to chase my dream, I have some sort of proof. I put my all up in this shit and I can fucking lose. You smile up in my face, but they don't know what I've been through. Whole lot of nights I went to sleep and I ain't had no food. But now I'm up and I'm just thinking about my next move. Gotta keep my head above water. What song is that? That is Young Boy Never Broke Again. I think that's why Young Boy. NBA Young Boy. And the song is Untouchable. Dude, that song, I've listened to that song so much, chat. That's like one of the most motivating songs. Bro's gonna be my liquidity. Funny guy, man. So funny. Type shit you listen to YB? Yeah, of course. It's fire. There it is. The 5 close respecting. So. Not a surprising push here, chat. Not a surprising push. But yeah, this always happens to me. This always happens to me. Guys, whenever I hit... If you guys see me hit stop loss, just know I've been teased for an hour before I hit that stop loss. The push up to like... The push all the way up to like 2 pips from... It pushes all the way up to like 2 pips from stop loss with monumental force. And then when it's 2 pips from stop loss, it starts to like do this. For like an hour, and then it hits my stop loss, and then yeah. I remember I want to find a consumer times. That is my time. But yeah, this was a complete mistake for me, by the way. This play, complete mistake from me, chat. If you guys go look at the playbook and look at the Nowick play, you will realize that this play was a silly mistake for me. But I'll take it on the chin. I'll take it on the chin, and we won't make the same mistake next time. Like Jello's new song? No, I did not like it. With the Glorilla or whatever his name is? No, I did not like it at all. I did not like it at all. I think he's a one-hit wonder, chat. I'm gonna be honest. I think he's a one-hit wonder. Alright, just take us out already so I can end stream, bro. The only reason I haven't ended stream is because we're in this position, but as soon as we hit stop loss here, I'm gonna end stream. Alright, DXY is dumping, that's why. I think that stops. Let me see. I think that stops. Yeah, just hit stop loss or chat. Yep, there it is. Just hit stop loss. Like I said, I analyzed. I told you guys what we did wrong in this play. Simple mistake really, but it was a Nowick play, and we just made a simple mistake from the Nowick play, and yeah, that's it. It was the first time that I take a live, that I lived with you since I found your YouTube channel. Trust me, I ain't phased. Lol, I see you had winners. You just decided to take. Yeah, I mean, dude, if you're gonna keep watching the live stream, you will have winners and you'll have losers. I'm not promising you guys winners every single time. Obviously, that's not real trading. I trade for real. I'm not one of these gurus. Yeah, unfortunately, we hit stop loss on that one, boys. It is what it is. We move on. We learn from it, and we keep going. That's a part of the game. Hold on, stop loss hit. But yeah, that was a Nowick play. We managed it improperly. We knew that the 5 was shifting structure. After this 5 structure, when I said that I need to close break even, I did not do it, and I didn't follow my plan. Therefore, I paid, and God made me pay. But we keep going, we learn, and we become better, chat. That's what we do over here, and that's the only thing we can do. We literally can't do anything else. But yeah, chat, I gotta hit the gym. I gotta do whatever else I was gonna do today. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, sells on gold from 29.28.6 or on closures below 29.13. That's what I'm going to leave you guys with, and I'll see you tomorrow, same place, same time, here on this YouTube channel. All right, boys, take care and peace out.